This is the full picture from employee to business owner. There is a predictable path from corporate to entrepreneurship, and once you see it clearly, everything feels less overwhelming. Hi everyone, this is Lisa. I help high performing corporate women transition into online entrepreneurship without blowing up their lives or rushing the process. I remember one night I was working late. I was already tired and I knew I still had to drive home. In traffic as always after a long day. And I just felt it, like I was stretching myself too thin. That weekend, I sat down and really thought about my life. Not just what I wanted, but how I was going to get there. I wrote out a realistic plan. Not rush, not emotional, just clear. What if your business looks successful but didn't feel aligned? So many entrepreneurs are doing all the right things yet still feel overwhelmed, stuck, or disconnected. That's exactly why I created Pathway to Prosperity to help you get clear on your vision, break through limiting beliefs, and build a business that actually reflects you. Not just growth, but sustainable, balanced success without burnout. If you're ready to turn your passion into a business that truly thrives, this is your next step. Here's what that path typically looks like. First is awareness. You feel the shift, you want more. Second, dual identity. You're working and building at the same time. Third, validation. You start seeing proof, small wins. Fourth, transition. You prepare to live strategically. And lastly, expansion. You grow, optimize, and lead. And for me, that wasn't easy. But having that plan and having guidance helped me move forward with focus. You don't need to figure this out alone because each stage comes with its own challenges. So, if you've been following along quietly, ask yourself this: are you still just thinking about it? Or are you ready to move forward with clarity? If you're starting to feel ready, the next step isn't more content. It's deciding whether you want guidance in your journey. I'll be sharing more about how to work with me soon.